Hi, this is Lockpicking Gal. I got an email a while back from Chris at Lockpicking Evans Gate. He wanted to send me some locks. And this box is really heavy, so I have no idea what's in here. Hey, can you get this part? Yeah, that'll work. Oh, it says it's 5 pounds and 13 ounces, so that's what, almost 6 pounds. I'm just gonna pull it all out. Oh, there's a lot in here. Okay. That looks like a sergeant. That is really cool. I don't have any sergeants, I don't think. This is a master lock number 81. Wow. I haven't seen that half of these before, except online. This is a master lock. It's an 81. I think it's the Matchlock 81. And there's 2 of them. And this is a Matchlock. Oh, that's an 81 too. That's cool. A Yale cylinder. That's a sergeant also. I think these are like the small format cores. And I'm not sure what these are. That's a 4-pinner and that's a 5-pinner. It'll still be fun to pick. This is a Yale. I'm not sure what the printing is on that, or the stamping. If anybody knows, let me know. Maybe that's a Towns lock. That one has my name. This is a Yale. And this looks like Towns locks. Oh, here's some more cylinders. That one looks like it might be stamped RJ maybe. There's a Towns lock by Mr. Lock. I think that's Trackmaster's signature, a stamp. That's a Callan lock. It seems to only want to go one way. I don't need to figure out how they do that. One by Late Night Lockpicker. I'm gonna have to look him up. This is a Jetto lock. That's by Daz Evers. That's nice and shiny. Oh, look at that keyway. I know what I'm going to be working on the next couple days. An easy set with a mummified key. And this is pinned by Trickmaster 30. So, somebody's going to have to let me know for sure who that's by. Because I was thinking that was Trickmaster 30, but maybe not. And we got one pinned by Texas Lockpicker. I don't know if any of you newbies have taken the time to look him up, but he hasn't made videos in a couple years, but he really does have some great videos. A little note that says, "Get me from the top." It says, "Trust me." So I'm going to make sure that note stays in there. It's a no-name cylinder. And this one has 2 keys. It's a Slag by TKO. If anybody knows who that is, let me know. Whenever a cylinder, it has no key and no name, but there's been some work done to it. So I'm still gonna try and pick it. Okay, it looks like it might be from Super Llama. This bag is. So I just want to thank you so much, Chris, from Lockpicking to Heaven's Gate. I'm going to have a lot of fun picking and getting these. I'll get them on camera as soon as I can. Thank you.